Artificial intelligence is no longer an idea from science fiction. It is here, active and rapidly reshaping the world we work in. And with every leap forward in capability, one question keeps rising. How big will the layoffs be as AI becomes more capable? Not someday, but in the coming months and years. Right now, we are already seeing the first wave of AI-driven workforce changes. Companies in technology, finance, customer service, media, logistics, and more are announcing reductions framed as efficiency improvements, automation upgrades, or AI enablement. In this early stage, the jobs being affected are mostly digital and repetitive. Customer support roles, administrative assistants, data entry positions, routine marketing and content creation teams, and basic accounting or scheduling roles. These are jobs dominated by repetition and digital workflow. In the near term, we are likely looking at hundreds of thousands of layoffs worldwide, not millions. Think of it as trimming, not yet restructuring entire industries. But this is the first wave, not the peak. As AI continues to advance, we move into a period where the technology starts taking on decision-making work, not just clerical tasks. AI is already writing code, reviewing contracts, planning logistics, designing interfaces, and assisting with financial analysis. The pressure starts to expand into more skilled professional roles. That means information technology, software development, paralegal work, HR and recruiting, insurance processing, sales support, advertising, media production, and healthcare administration. Companies will not always call these layoffs. They will call them efficiency gains, workforce optimization, or natural attrition. But in reality, millions of roles globally will evolve or disappear in this stage. Now, that does not mean millions of unemployed people with nowhere to go. Many jobs will shift from performing a task to supervising AI performing the task. People who embrace AI and learn to work with it will stay in demand. The group most at risk will be those who choose not to adapt or assume their current skills will carry them forever. This next wave is not just about job reduction. It is about job transformation. Then comes the third stage, where AI moves beyond the digital world and becomes physically integrated into industry. Machine intelligence will start powering robotics throughout manufacturing, logistics, transportation, construction, retail, food service, and even parts of healthcare and elder care. This does not necessarily mean robots everywhere replacing everyone. It means fewer people managing more automated systems. Waiting tables becomes monitoring robotic food runners. Forklift driving turns into supervising autonomous warehouse fleets. Construction labor becomes operating advanced machinery and overseeing automated support systems. At this point, tens of millions of roles worldwide will shift or disappear. But new industries will rise just like they did after the arrival of the internet. Cybersecurity, robotics maintenance, AI system training and supervision, data center operations, energy system engineering, personalized digital services, and entirely new career fields we have not imagined yet. Jobs do not vanish from the world. They move, they evolve, they migrate to where value exists next. So let's answer the central question. How big will the layoffs be in the coming years due to AI? In the short term, thousands turning into hundreds of thousands. In the medium term, millions of positions restructured or redefined. In the long term, tens of millions of role transitions worldwide. But here is the part most headlines ignore. This is not purely a story about job loss. It is a story about job evolution. Every major technological revolution throughout history has replaced jobs, but it has also created new ones that were higher skilled, more productive, and in many cases, better paying. This time will be no different. The real risk is not automation. The real risk is being unprepared. So what should workers do? 3 things will matter most. First, develop AI literacy. Learn to use AI tools instead of competing with them. Second, become adaptable and improve problem-solving skills. Tools change, but the ability to think and learn remains the ultimate skill. And third, strengthen the human traits machines still struggle to truly replicate: leadership, empathy, creativity, judgment, strategic thinking. If you combine human intelligence with artificial intelligence, you do not become replaceable. You become multiplied. Yes, AI will eliminate jobs. Yes, some industries will shrink and others will transform. And yes, Not everyone will navigate this shift easily, but throughout history, every time technology has changed the rules, humanity has risen to meet the challenge. We have become more skilled, more productive, and more connected. The same story will play out again. The future does not belong to artificial intelligence alone. It belongs to the people who learn to use it well, prepare, learn, adapt, and lead in the age of AI. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.